Hey, Dave Wheelock here with the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. And this is the Black Friday edition from Costco. It was $50 off and came with a second charger. This is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 1, and I lost the charger. So I needed an extra charger anyway. That's partially why I went ahead and just upgraded to the second version. Both of these watches came out in the same year. Thanks, Samsung. The big difference between the Galaxy Watch Active 1 and the second one, at least for me, is the speaker. Now, the first one did not have one, okay, but the second one does. And that just opens up this whole world of things that you can do with Bixby, for example. And I know you want to do a lot of things with Bixby. Everybody loves Bixby. Bixby says that there was an error. Perfect. Let's go ahead and open the box. Shake, shake, shake. How do you get this box? There we go. Okay. All right, so this is our main box. It looks like there's something inside. Jeez. Okay. What's this? A charger, eh? One charger sounds good with me, but there should be two. It says so on the box. I just want to make sure that it's here, please. Our second charger! All right, that is awesome. I finally have a charger for my Galaxy Watch Active 1. You don't know. I've been without a charger for months, guys, all right? It really stinks. Or I would say another word, but then the YouTube algorithm will flag this video as being unmonetizable. So, clearly it's got paper. That's so nice. Save the trees, guys. Save the trees. All right, but here is the... Oh, it's bigger. You like that 8-inch, huh? All right, so you can see it's clearly, I think this is like 44, this is 40 millimeters. I have to put these on my wrist so you can fully see how big. Well, how big, Dave? Oh my God, this video, it's just tanking, going south real fast. Going down! Oh God damn it. I hate watches. Can I just say that real fast? This activity right here, it's like slitting your wrist. I mean, it should be easy, but it's so complicated because I'm doing it one-handed. All right, so I've got to make space on my wrist for both watches to be here. Wow. Hey, actually, you know what? This wristband might be bigger or something. This is strange. I got to measure that out properly with my invisible ruler. So, who does math anymore? Did I turn it on? I don't know. There are two buttons. I forget all the time, I swear. Which one's the power button? All right, so let's go. Let's go ahead and start setting this on up. Accessibility. Okay, cool. Get started in the Galaxy. Oh, man. I gotta open up an app and do things on my phone to do this and that and the other. Really? We're in the Wear app right now on my Samsung phone, so we're gonna go ahead and click on Add New Device, click on Add. Galaxy Watch Active 2. Let's pair on up. There we go. Cool. All right, so let's go ahead and pair it on up. Connect. Tap the OK button. Check your phone to complete the setup. All right, so it looks like it finally finished. You're all set. Enjoy your watch. Swipe left to see your widgets. I'm swiping that way. There you go. Swipe right. Got to go through this. We're good now? Swipe right for notifications. Press the back key to go back. Tap the home key to find your apps. Swipe left to view more apps. Almost done. Swipe down. You got this. Touch the screen. Touch again. The palm of your hand to turn it off. Something like that. That work? Yep, that worked. I like how it answered me. All right, yeah, that's all good. All right, good. Great. Hi, Bixby.
Hey, good afternoon. I hope your day's going well.
Hey.
So you can go ahead and use the internet browser on your Galaxy Watch Active 2 to go to websites like YouTube, for example, and play videos. You'll see that the audio itself sounds actually pretty good. And the visuals, you know, it's a small screen, but it's crystal clear.
That's why I would like to get out of here.
You might be wondering, why did Dave now buy a vacuum cleaner for $1,200? I seriously have no idea. When you're browsing the internet as well, you can go into the sort of like ease of access mode where it just squeezes everything together and just brings you the text. and gets rid of like a lot of the advertisements and background colors and all that sort of stuff. So it makes it pretty easy to go ahead and read whatever it is that you wanted to read. And on a like 44 millimeter screen, that's nice. You know, there's more real estate than the 40 millimeter. But that being said, though, I don't understand why you would ever want to spend the time to read an article on your watch. It just would be so much more time consuming. And that's what it kind of comes down to. In general use, everything is more time consuming with the watch right now. It just feels as if it's functional by all means, but I wouldn't ever ditch my smartphone for my watch, even if I got the LTE version. The Galaxy Watch Active 1 doesn't come with speakers built into it, but you can go ahead with Bluetooth and connect your Galaxy Buds to it, right? So go ahead, put these in your ear, and you can listen to videos as well as music and whatever else you wanted to listen to. And you can, of course, do that with the Galaxy Watch Active 2. And overall, that's kind of how you want to listen to anything still. It's nice that the speaker is there. It sounds good, except for I believe that it doesn't sound as good for phone calls. It's loud by all means, and you'll generally hear what you need to hear, but it's just so much more clear with your Galaxy Buds. And again, you can't use the Galaxy Watch Active 1 to kind of have your full-on phone call conversation, right? If you do go ahead and make a call with that Galaxy Watch Active 1, it's going to go and make you use your smartphone. It basically calls on the smartphone, and you got to pick up that smartphone to speak, even if you do have your Galaxy Buds activated. But that doesn't happen with the Galaxy Watch Active 2. You can have that full-on experience of your smartphone being in your pocket, make a call without even really like looking at the screen all that much. Just double tap the home button or say, "Hi, Bixby," and she will go ahead and activate, and you tell her to call one of your friends, for example. So you can kind of keep your eyes on the road or the sidewalk, wherever it is that you're going. So I think, again, there are a lot of pros and cons in this entire array between your smartphone and your watches and whether or not it's version 1 or version 2, whichever it is. I mean, I think they'll all kind of do the job. You'll end up still, of course, with your smartphone and using that for the vast majority of your time. But of course, that Galaxy Watch Active 2 is a big step on up from the Galaxy Watch Active 1, even though it kind of looks the same, it feels kind of the same, but it's just these sort of small little things, mainly the speaker, that change the game and improve the entire experience, even though it feels so similar. Anyway, thank you again for watching this video. I'm Dave We Like, and make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so you get plenty of more videos coming soon.